and welcome, children, to my platform, Economics with Nilanjana. Please follow my YouTube link as well as the Facebook handle, Economics with Nilanjana, for all the teaching videos and PowerPoints for your AI SSC Economics of 18th March 2026. This is part 2 of sustainable development, and we are going to discuss 3 very important technical terms out here. First and foremost, opportunity cost of environmental degradation is very high. What is the meaning of that? See, environmental degradation, air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution, it is taking a huge toll on human health. We see pandemic after pandemic, respiratory diseases, epidemics in the rural areas. So as a matter of fact, what happens after you fall ill? You have to go to the doctor. There is a huge economic loss of paying the doctor, buying the medicines. So the cost of this environmental degradation due to its direct hazard on human health is very high. Number 2, when these fossil fuels are getting completely depleted due to their overusage, misutilization, then what is happening? Government has to invest more and more for alternative sources of energy, and that incurs a huge cost on the part of the government. So basically what is happening is that due to the environmental degradation, both on individual level as well as the level of the government, the cost being incurred is getting higher and higher up. And this is called opportunity cost of environmental degradation is very high. Next, coming to the other concept, which is called supply-demand reversal of environmental resources. Supply-demand reversal. That means supply and demand changing place. Okay, so from time immemorial, in the ancient times when population was very less, there was lesser technological advancement, people did not know how to extract most of the resources. The supply of the resources was very high in the environment, and their demand was quite low. So supply was higher than demand. Now, as time passed on, as we are modernizing more and more due to urbanization, we are extracting resources indiscriminately, unreasonably, and misutilizing them. As a result, what is happening? There is a very popular saying that you studied in class 10, that the earth has enough for the necessities of all, but not for the greed of one. So basically what is happening as a result is that now the supply is getting lesser and lesser, but the demand for the resources is going higher up. So as a matter of fact, now the demand is greater than the supply. This is called supply-demand reversal of environmental resources. The third very important technical term that you have to know in this regard is that it is called environmental degradation, land degradation, and also the resultant impact on the environment and the sustenance of the livelihood on the environment. So in India, soil erosion is a major cause of land degradation. And other than soil erosion, indiscriminate deforestation for urbanization, cleaning the forest cover for industrialization, and using too much of pesticides and fertilizers, too much of groundwater extraction for irrigation. What is happening? The soil gets loose and they erode, and as a result we lose the very important soil nutrients for the growth of the crops. And what are they? The phosphorus, nitrogen, all these things are getting lost. Important soil nutrients are getting lost in this particular process. So land degradation, soil erosion, these are the issues, very burning issues that requires to be addressed by the government in India.